Hey there! If you're watching this, you're probably gearing up to tackle your income tax return, or ITR, for the year 2024. And if you're a salaried employee, you're in the right place to crack the code on mastering your tax filing. Let's dive right into it. First things first, let's talk about documents. You'll need your Form 16, which your employer should have given you. This form is essentially your salary's financial report card, detailing your earnings and the tax deducted at source. Make sure you've got it because it's your golden ticket here. Next up, investment proofs. Whether it's your public provident fund, life insurance, or that home loan interest statement, gather all these documents. They can help you claim deductions under various sections like 80C or 24B, ultimately reducing your taxable income. That's less tax you have to pay, so take this seriously. Moving on, let's talk about the actual filing. You can file your ITR online, which is super convenient. Just head over to the official income tax e-filing website. If you're new to this, don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. You'll choose the ITR form that applies to you, most likely the ITR-1 form, also known as Sahaj, which is specifically for salaried individuals. Once you're logged in, the portal can auto-populate your details from your PAN card and previous tax filings. Check these details meticulously. Any mismatch or error can lead to discrepancies, and trust me, you don't want that hassle. After filling out the form, don't rush to submit it. Review everything. Check your deductions, the income reported, and ensure all numbers are accurate. When you're sure, go ahead and submit. Then, wait for the acknowledgement form, which is your confirmation that the tax department has received your filing. Lastly, always remember to keep copies of your filed tax returns and all relevant documents. They're crucial, especially if you ever get scrutinized or need to address queries from the tax department. And there you have it. With these steps, you can confidently file your ITR in 2024. Stay organized, stay informed, and tackle your taxes like a pro. Until next time, keep your finances sharp and your mind sharper.